How to use DiDi DiDi app. Download the official DiDi app designed for mainland China from a trusted app store or access DiDi via the WeChat or Alipay mini programs if you prefer. Open the app or mini program to create an account using your mobile phone number. Following the prompts, set up your payment method within the app, such as linking an international credit card, WeChat Pay, or Alipay balance for smooth cashless payment. Enable location services on your device so the app can detect your pickup spot accurately. Enter your destination address in the search bar so you can also save frequent locations for quick access. Choose your preferred ride type based on your budget and comfort level. Confirm your booking and wait for the app to assign a driver. You'll see the car's license plate and real-time location. Use the in-app translator if you need to communicate with your driver in English. Share your trip status with friends or family via the ride-sharing feature for extra safety. After your trip, payment will be processed automatically through your linked method. No tipping expected. Subscribe.